You are very fast. No. The foot. Look, your feet. Just push it down. That's it. Watch where you're going. Come on. Quick. Ice. Go over there. Yeah, you go more over there. Because the other ones are not eating right there. We're probably gonna get fat, Lord. We've been eating too many seeds.
Yeah, that's a daddy one.
Yeah.
Why is there that's a duck over there?
Mm-hmm.
This is my duck.
Give some more over there. Sure, look at mommy, babe.
There's still some ducks on the ocean.
It's a lake, not ocean. It's a lake.
Look, there's ducks on the lake.
Yeah. Look, they're fighting. Give some more. Not in the water now.
On the ground.
Yeah.
Look, they're eating their snack.
They're eating their snack. Yeah, they like it. Make them healthy and strong.
Like me. I eat big ones and then ducks eat me. I eat big ones and one small too.
Yeah.
They're getting very big.
Yes.
I think that's small. We got food for them.
That's right. Hmm? I'll hold it.
There's still some here.
Look, the little ducks are coming.
Let's see a bit more.
Okay. Well done.
They're eating all. Oh, they're still hungry.
No, they're not. They got lots of food today. Is that good? Shall we go home now?
Not yet.
Where are we going then?
Still okay.
Bring the bike.
Mommy?
Nice flower here.
I'm
View.
scared.
What? Shall we go this way now? Let's go home. It's not open though. Yeah. You don't need to pedal. Just go.